What is up, weirdos and bros and whatever the heck? Welcome to another episode of Sunset Screwdriver. Screw. Oh my! This little baby is about to
Screw
walk
his
in
neck.
while I start recording. Hold on, let me go kill a child. 1 second.
While they're in the other room, let me just say, penis! Penis! They love penis, guys.
Sorry, I had to commit child murder.
I know, right?
Anyways, let's get back to Sunset Screwdrivers. We haven't been paying attention to the story. Oh, I mean, I have. Like, I went back and looked at what was happening just to understand
Get it
what's going
going.
on.
I've played the game before.
But like while we play, I'm not like actually paying attention. The story of this game is actually pretty freaking good,
Yeah.
I must say. Why does she look lower quality than every other character in this game?
Wait, who?
That Callista chick.
Not streaming.
It's not streaming to you? Oh, my bad.
We'll keep this one in.
Oh god. Okay, and we're back. Difficulties technical. What the heck is Dirk?
What, third time?
That's Dirk.
Oh my lord. No, we're not like restarting, don't worry.
Physicist and his dad is
Let's
an
do that.
astronaut.
And
He's
we start
really
another.
good at aerodynamics.
This kid is
Aerodynamics.
freaking spoiled.
How convenient.
When
Yeah.
did she
He's
just...
also a health nut. He only drinks like the most expensive water on the planet.
You gotta be kidding me.
Bora Bora water. You can't
What?
afford it.
You can't
You don't
afford
like
it.
There's a bottling plant a few blocks
Yeah,
away. You can
Bora
bring
Bora
back
water,
a
bro.
couple
Can you afford
bottles
Bora
for
Bora
him.
water?
Wait a
Mm,
second.
I
You're
hope I
telling
can.
me that the only thing that will make this guy
No, you
get off
cannot.
is some brand name bottled water?
Are you kidding me?
You
Why
don't
would
know
you
him like I do.
ever be able to afford Bora Bora water?
Yeah, I don't want to know him.
I
like
mean,
you do.
come on.
Trust me.
Oh
Who do you
my
think you
lord.
are?
Give him what he wants. He'll help make your propeller.
Okay. So I just gotta get him some Bora Bora water.
Yes. It's also quite easy.
Is there
Said
any
than
way to
done.
like go back to character customization?
Well, yeah, it's just called the
This chick.
Talk to Callista. Yes.
Good, because I was trying. Not this.
What
That's cool and all, but wait.
you
what the
staring at?
heck? No. There was something.
Blazer.
No. It seemed more promising. The denim jacket
You
actually
are
looks
so
cool.
thirsty, bro.
Shut up. You
Bro,
don't have
thirsty
rights.
for sunset overdose. Skull emoji, skull emoji, skull
kinda
emoji. How'd you
drippy, man.
know?
Ah! I clicked the wrong one. Anyways, Hawaiian shirt. What a go. Yo, what about none?
Yeah, who doesn't love
I'm
you?
sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
I'm done. Gloves. Don't have any. Nothing. Dang it.
Whoa, whoa!
See the thing I have highlighted?
You gotta buy body art.
Y'all see the thing I have highlighted? Yeah, I need that.
An L.
You're an L.
Imagine not getting it. You're an L, built like an uppercase H.
What?
So bored.
What relevance
You
does
heard
an
me?
uppercase H have?
Uppercase?
Shut up. You don't have rights. Bora
Oh,
Bora
God, you at?
water. You can't afford it. Alright, cool. I can go back to the actual cool part of this game, which is moving around,
Hey,
baby.
it's Floyd. Just checking in.
Now get
Mhm.
teddy bear.
Mother?
You wish I was your mother.
No, I really
You wish I
don't.
was your mother.
Anyway, I found a group of worthless, spoiled brats
Huh?
who just so happen to be geniuses. I
No.
gotta do some stuff for
Don't
them,
know,
and
Mom.
then
The
they'll
fu-
build me a
No.
Nah, man. Freaking,
Nice.
what is this
Walter's
man's
out
name
at the
again?
overpass rebuilding the
Floyd.
climb.
Sam?
That propeller's gonna help a
No,
lot.
Floyd.
Don't tell him I'm
Are
working.
you
Sorry, I
even
was
watching the
bringing
stream?
Be a surprise.
Yes, I am.
Like
I wasn't paying attention at
But then
first.
again, he
Nah,
didn't
man.
like
You have the
much of
attention span of a
anything,
dying
so
turtle.
see ya.
I may
Yeah,
not
the
be
attention
what
span
you
of a
want,
walnut.
yeah. But I'ma be what you need. Sorry. I was listening to
You have the attention span of a walnut.
Guess if I want that
May not
precious
be
Bora
what
Bora
you
water, I'm gonna have
want,
to
yeah.
drain out this
But
nasty
I'ma
stuff.
be
Copyright
what you
claim.
need. No, don't worry. That
Hey,
song
it's
isn't
still that
copyrighted.
Jack. I updated the
Warning.
I'd hope not.
No.
Contamination detected. Facility offline. Awaiting activation of emergency flush system.
Cry about it.
All right, time to flush this factory-sized toilet.
Let's go. It's
Emergency
flushing
flush
time.
system
What?
activated.
Why do you what?
What?
What was those sounds?
Oh, it
You
was a
sound like a
reference.
friggin'.
Pressure
Sound like a
levels
friggin'
critical.
Spanish
Release safety valves
news.
to prevent
What? Not
complete
Spanish news.
and utter
Spanish
disaster.
station watching fucking football.
Gotta open those safety valves.
It's a
And yes, it is called football, not soccer.
yeah, it's football.
Use your feet.
Yeah, football. Anyways, freaking, that was it's a reference to this YouTuber I watched named
Jump on
Mark
that
Style.
red valve thingy.
He, in his older videos, he used to go, what is going on, everybody, rhyme style here? And, like, he would say it so fast that his friends just started, like, making fun of him. Go, what?
But you're not done yet.
Oh,
Baby steps.
picking up what you're
Another
putting up.
emergency flush
Yeah,
system
wait, what?
is awaiting activation.
You heard me.
Picking up what I'm putting, oh my gosh, bro, are you turning into Floyd just saying freaking phrases
No.
backwards? Let's make lemons out of this lemonade. That was so stupid.
Emergency flush system number 2.
That's like the
Awaiting
freaking. This
activation.
isn't this isn't brain science or rocket surgery.
But now that is just.
I mean, that one's
Wow.
honestly great though. You gotta admit it.
It kind of is. I gotta
Freaking
admit.
swoozy jokes are always awesome. This isn't brain science or rocket surgery. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? All right. So I have to hit these, right? Bonk. It's moving.
Yes.
It's moving.
Nah, you gotta eat them.
You know what? You don't have rights. Bonk. No! Oh, I made it up.
Nah, but they gave me clown juice, bro. On God.
Oh my gosh! I was trying to freaking, you know, do the thing, but it didn't. It didn't think.
Ground pound.
Yo, they are about to die. Bonk. Dude, I could just bonk. Okay, that's kind of cool.
Please. You are familiar with the rule of 3, correct?
Rule of 3.
Emergency flush system number 3. Awaiting activation.
Honestly, this game.
What?
I don't know what
Yes.
to say about this game. It's definitely very
Good
fun,
or
but there's
bad?
certain elements of
Where
it
are
that
they
are
all
just
coming
weird.
from?
I feel like
How
Emergency
so?
flush system
like
offline
the grinding mechanic is
until you figure
odd.
out where those ODs
I feel like
are coming from.
like when it's on like a rail or something
I could do
you
with
can
a
grind
little
on, I
less
feel like you should just be able to jump
sarcasm,
on it rather than
You can
have
dish
to
it out, but
press
you
the
can't
button.
take it, huh?
What?
But maybe that's just because I'm on computer. Cause like you played this on Xbox, right?
Yes.
Yeah. On computer, it's weird. It just it doesn't feel like you're. I don't know. It's hard to explain. Because it feels like it stops the momentum that you actually feel while you're doing something. Controllers are obviously superior for obvious reasons.
Yes. Also, I can tell you this. On controller, when you're going from ramp to ramp and you're boosting, it just feels 10 times better.
Mm.
Because it's also like timing rather than just jump on it. So you keep your speed.
Oh my god, this man is freaking kadonking me over here. Let me throw my teddy bears
Ow.
at him. What is that? Oh. That's the ones I've been killing this whole
Okay.
time. Yo! Here we go. Oh, where's that big boy at? The big one. Oh, great heavens, there he is. You know what? That would explain it.
Ooh.
Y'all don't get... Y'all... Oonga... Oh, crap, that was the wrong number. Oh, God, okay. It's fine. I'm
What?
okay. I'm fine. I'm not dying.
More ammo.
No.
I think you're gonna die.
I'm fine. I'm not gonna die. Legends
At
never
point
die.
now.
Wait, I think it was
Bro,
Heroes.
all of your bones are broken.
Yo, shut up. That's why you're...
Minecraft skeleton looking at.
You know what? That's why you're Hispanic. I don't want to hear it.
How many times are you gonna say that? Just record it. Like I,
mean,
said,
I only
yeah.
said it once this time.
Twice.
Did I really?
Yes.
My bad. However, I'm not wrong, am I? Am I supposed to kill this guy, or am I just supposed to fun?
It literally says kill the spawner.
Oh. The spawner? Oh, the big boy?
Yeah. Yes.
Yo, if you don't
The
get
guy
up
with the
off me,
garbage
cousin.
can on.
Ooh, where'd it go, where'd it go? I don't know why I keep saying cousin. It's just a thing I started doing, I suppose.
No, I don't say cousin.
I'm aware. Mi hermano.
My brother in Christ.
My brother in Christ.
Who is in Paris, by the way?
What?
Who is in Paris, by the way?
How about you answer that question for me? Because I can actually say it.
Nah, bro. Let's go ahead and answer it.
I can say it. I don't know if you can.
I know who is in Paris.
He's almost dead. Big boy is almost dead. You know what, cousin?
Napoleon
Get
Bonaparte
rolled
ruled
on.
France.
Big boy died.
Finally, only took 8 minutes.
Wait, I gotta
Yo, if you don't get Abba me,
waste. No,
get
I
rolled
can't
on.
do that.
They see
I
me
was
rolling.
a bunch of rubbish. No, too British.
Okay.
Please.
He's
Too
not.
British.
Yeah, okay. Sorry.
Aw.
Final flush system valve awaiting activation.
Personally, I prefer the air.
Don't hit me with a goddamn.
Freaking Falco. Where'd it go? Personally, I prefer the air.
British motherfucker.
He's British, man. Hands off my prey.
He's not British anymore.
You're right. They made him American, right?
I believe so.
That is so dumb.
So he's not a nerd.
Are you saying that all British people are nerds? Have you met British
Yes.
Daniel before?
Yes.
British Daniel's like the meanest person on
That
the
motherfucker still owes me money.
He owes you money?
Yes.
How did that come into fruition?
I gave him hella gun. He said, "Alright, bet I'll give you money." And he never gave me.
That's black people for. I'm sorry.
Bro.
I have like 0 seconds. Oh, I'm supposed to. I was going the wrong way. I didn't leave the mission area. I was trying to turn around, but the thing was being dumb.
No.
Anyways,
Should have turned
get
around.
smacked. Alright, next up, I gotta go right here. And then schmack. I wish the buttons were positioned differently. I suppose that's on me, but at the same time, it's been a good game.
Hey, you just change your keybinds.
How about you change the
Yeah,
keybind to this?
like-
What up, yo?
That doesn't apply here. That doesn't apply here, you emoji.
You smell like the nerd emoji. I
You
failed
built like the nerd
again.
emoji.
I failed again, man. That sucks. Okay. Oh god.
How many times have you died?
I didn't. I died once, but in terms of failing the mission.
That was disappointing.
You also failed the first mission.
Yo, if you don't shut your mouth,
No.
I may not be what you want. Yeah, I'ma be what you need. Okay, I'm sorry, but like, hey, we got K rounds, blocks with 30.
Stop.
Run up on me. I'ma do you dirty. There we go. See, I just need to
You
know what to
screw
do.
yourself. Blah.
Hey, we got K rounds. Blocks with 30. Run up on me. I'ma do you dirty.
Delicious, fresh,
Anyways.
vitamin-enhanced Bora Bora water. Now available for delivery.
Okay, let me
That's
go get some
cool.
Walter.
Work here is done.
Nah, come here, cousin.
I'm out.
Okay, I'm done. Out.
Time to grab that
Okay.
water and get out of here.
Even the robots in this game have a sense of humor.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yo, if you don't shut your freaking Cuban Honduran mouth.
All right, just reveal my IP address next, will ya?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Kill him.
All right, my IP address is 3.
Whoa, look at all those ODs.
Odd. They overdoing it, cousin.
Why are you
Sorry.
guys following me?
You say cousin a lot.
I know, I'm gonna stop. I need to. It's super dumb. It's like one of those things where like the word epic,
Just water.
like you start saying it ironically and then you just start unironically saying it. Why are there so many
No.
OD?
Cause, what do you ask him?
Everywhere. Like
Oh,
they
yo, if you don't shut your mouth,
No, you're the one fighting the OD, not me.
Oh yeah, because you're the one who told me to play this game. Shut up.
Yeah, but I'm not the one fighting the OD.
You know what? Guess what? I don't even gotta fight them. I could just run.
That is a good point. Yeah.
Hey, we got. Why is there one like right here? Okay, I got your water bottles. You
Do me
spoiled
a
brat.
favor and GTFO.
You did it!
I mean, not that I had any doubt that you would. Wait here. Hey, Dirk, I got something I think you might like.
Water!
Sick.
I haven't drank in days.
Bruh.
That's good.
Is it
Purest water on earth.
impossible?
Oh, thanks, Sam. You rock. Yeah, sure. Anytime.
I got $1,000.
So, can I get that propeller?
Now you can spend that on one gun.
Dirk will
Are you
certainly
serious,
help,
my brother?
But we need to get a couple.
Why don't you go check it out?
Where's the? Oh, the gun dude is over here.
He's in the building.
Yeah, I noticed. All right, let's see weapons. I can't spend it on any guns. Why is it so much? Freeze bomb.
Hell.
Whatever. I don't like this. I don't like this freaking jacket thing I added, so I'm gonna change it. It looks dumb. At first, I was like, you know what, this looks kind of cool. Then I was like, ugh. Biker vest actually looks kind of cool. I'll go with this one since it.
What do you call that
matches.
look? Hoochie chic?
A drip o'clock.
And then let me change this because I look naked.
Huh?
I do. You can't say I don't. Hey, we got K rounds.
It's the apocalypse.
Clocks with
but
30.
you are obviously not going hungry.
No, I refuse to sing it. Bit.
Come on, you got to.
Not in front of my son.
Your son?
You know my son.
Nah, man. Personally, I don't know who your son could be.
My queen, mother.
What,
My son is Canelo Alvarez.
bruh? Okay, yeah. I just need.
Ain't that right, Canelo? Si, senor.
Sí, señor.
Ooh, this freaking sucks.
That's
What
Margaret.
the-
She's an
what's
engineering major with like the
Hey, bud.
highest GPA in the
Hola,
history of the
papa.
school.
How much
But
does?
she lost her
I'm
dog
good,
when
son.
everything
How
went
are
down,
you?
and she hasn't been the same
Sorry,
since.
man.
Oh,
Finding that dog will go a long way to helping her depression.
Quiero
Hey,
comer tu
whatever gets
huh?
that propeller.
Huh?
There's a dog
What
park
was
in West Dover
that?
that she always
you're
goes
doing
to.
all
Huh?
of this
Check
for a
there first.
propeller?
Yes.
Also, I genuinely was not paying attention to what you were saying.
But
Okay, this is gonna be the second mission. Do you think we should do another one of these, like another recording afterwards?
Dark Souls, bitch.
What?
How long have we been recording for? What, 10 minutes?
Yeah,
15?
maybe 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, I'd say we just upload two 15-minute videos because we know how long one 30-minute video takes.
Yeah.
Along
mean,
with
okay.
the fucking editing.
To be 100% fair, the last time, that was just, editing issues. We're still getting used to everything, but I know how to do everything now.
Yeah, by the way, if you
Unlucky.
guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, maybe a subscription. That would be very appreciated. And share the video with your friends if you think, they would enjoy watching us beat morons.
Yeah. Make sure to
And,
leave a like and, smash
Shut
that
your fucking
subscribe
mouth!
button.
Shut your fucking mouth! I'm doing the bloody promotion, eh?
There!
Your mouth is cunt.
No, personally, I would prefer if you didn't do the bloody promotion.
Nice.
Yeah, you fucking what, eh?
I've
Yeah,
actually
say it to
been,
my fucking face, eh?
I've actually been
North Bridge to
practicing
get
the English
there.
accent.
The bridge?
Oh, but you fucking what, eh? Come to fucking Birmingham, ask
I
for Danny
changed my
G,
British
or
accent
come to
to
fucking house, and I'll get your fuck you,
It's
huh?
just a river, Sam. It's not the Bermuda Triangle.
Hey, the Bermuda Triangle is no laughing
Yeah,
matter.
we
We're
are
landing to
still
dash
very
across the
familiar.
water? What?
Thousands claimed by
Oh!
the sea. Not only is it a hotbed for tropical storms and
That's
magnetic
crazy.
anomalies, I am pretty sure I read about alien abductions and leftover technologies from Atlantis causing ultrasonic.
Is this man high?
Found the dog.
Huh?
You did?
No, I just wanted to save the world from the rest of your story.
I'm dead. Isn't it
Just call
Sam
me when
high
you find the
constantly?
dog.
No,
we're in
why would he be
Littletopia.
high?
I mean, not literally, but like the way he was talking was so stupid.
How was he speaking again?
He was just being dumb.
I'd say after that mission we stop recording and
Yeah, after this one we stop. Should we?
well,
We're not gonna post this one today, right? We're gonna do like a daily schedule type thing.
well, you're gonna have to do a couple without me because I go somewhere tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. I could probably just start a different series in the meantime. Probably play FNF.
A different what? No, keep going with Sunset Overdrive. Trust me.
All right. Would you be okay with me getting a different guest then?
No. You
No?
do not replace me, bitch.
Come on, man. Just like a placeholder guest.
Fine.
Hey.
Fine, of course.
Because I mean, otherwise it's gonna be super boring. Because I'm boring when I'm alone.
Alright, yeah, it makes sense, you know, get a placeholder guest that I may or may not know. Good, Anakin. Now kill yourself.
It'll be either a certain person whose name starts with an N, or a certain person whose name starts with an R, or maybe a J.
And
Yeah.
definitely not Jay.
Okay. Why not? Spawner? There's a
It's
spawner?
J.
Oh god. I mean, okay. Run up on me. I'ma do you dirty. Hey, we got K rounds. Blocks are dirty. Run up on me. I'ma do you dirty. Hey, we got K rounds. I'm going to die today. Hopefully this hasn't been 30 minutes
Cause you
already.
suck at the game.
Ah. Oh,
20
God.
minutes, 30 minutes?
I don't think it has. No. I'm sure it's not. Okay.
No, it's
Oh my
been
god,
like-
I'm gonna die.
Ow.
I'm going to die now. I am going to freaking die now.
Wait, question, why don't we just like,
What's
why
up?
don't we just like, I don't know, film another episode today, you post one today, and then you post one tomorrow?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking I was gonna do. Just like as
Yeah.
yeah. So we just like, you know, crank out a few within the span of a day, and then, you know, we have like
Yeah.
prepared in case one of us can't for a certain day.
Yeah, I'll be fine to record, it's just like, I'm going to the beach, and,
Oh yeah. So
for 2 days.
how many days?
2.
Oh, so should we crank out 2 more today then?
No, you could get a replacement guest for one
All right.
day.
Well, we're still doing one more though, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
For you nerds and virgins.
Yeah, y'all getting the actual daily schedule, man.
Hopefully. Probably might change. Depends. But currently we are being chilling.
Yeah. I guess this is the
Unlike
more,
Hassan Pike.
one of the more chill episodes where we're not, being psychological.
Psychological.
Yeah, man.
Are you
The
referring to
other
Miko and Mookie?
oh my lord.
Mookie?
The other episode, a certain person who could possibly be a replacement guest literally just referred to me as the prime definition of a nerd. Which, I don't appreciate, but at the same time, it's whatever. I mean, it's accurate, so.
Is this N or R?
It's Arya.
I knew it.
I mean, that's like the only person who calls me a nerd constantly.
Good point.
Is that a
I mean,
dog?
You are a nerd.
Wait, there's no way.
Weird dog.
What?
Come here,
Is she
bitch.
so rich that she has a robotic dog?
Aw,
Yes.
What's your name? Boo Boo? Come on, Boo Boo. Margaret's looking for you.
She looks like, I mean, she sounds like she's in pain.
What the
What,
dog?
did
or
it go
her?
back inside?
The f***ing...
Yeah,
Hey, Sam, did you maybe forget some of the details about Margaret's robo-dog? The thing won't follow me back.
Yeah, man.
He must be in some kind of recovery mode. If it
Recovery
doesn't
mode.
recognize the voice trying to command it, it will only interact
Huh?
with its favorite toy, Cutie Kitty. Listen,
Are you kidding
there's
me
a
right
toy
now?
store pretty close to you. Just try looking there
Yes.
for the kitty launcher,
I
I'm
gotta,
okay?
I gotta
Mhm.
go on another
Margaret,
search
her
for this
dog is
dog's
dead.
toy.
That dog means a lot to her.
Yeah.
Fine.
That dog means a lot to her.
Sam, the
Man,
dog
shut
is
your
following
mouth.
me now.
Oh, great.
I'll just
Oh,
Sam
no,
like
it
that.
just committed suicide.
Oh my
Sorry.
god.
Mission failed. What's next?
Oh no, it just committed
Just
suicide.
check the toy store before giving up, okay?
No, but giving up is my special move.
It is. It's my special move.
Stupid dog.
I definitely like that the protagonist has personality regardless of the fact that like you designed them and everything.
Yeah, I don't get why more games don't do that.
Yeah. Like Breath of the Wild, you don't even design the freaking protagonist, but still he has no personality.
Well, it's Link. That's
Yeah,
just Link.
But canonically he can talk.
I mean, yeah, but like,
So like I feel
Why
like it'd
would
be
he, though?
better if like this is the Link that's like
my cutie kitty.
acknowledge that he can talk, then they should freaking, you know, make him talk. That's all I want. That's all I want.
I don't think it matters if he talks to you.
Meh. I think it. I don't know. I feel like it add more personality if you like actually did the thing where it's like he doesn't talk when he's in battle, but he talks. Anyway.
It is what it
I
is,
set
you know?
these men on fire, bro. Single shot
Good.
weapon badge.
Bomb him.
Okay, I'm gonna steal
Oh.
this cutie
Better
kitty
work, Sam.
and then
I
go
better
back
get
to the
my
dough.
propeller.
Don't worry.
You said cutie.
Just
Oh,
bring
wait,
that
wait.
back to the
Pet
dog.
thing.
Yeah, the pet thing. The pet for the pet. The pet.
Pet.
Yeah, the freaking the pet pets and then the pets. Pets. Please tell me you got that reference.
Yeah.
Hey, where'd it go?
I'm so surprised we have 10 views on our
Yeah,
first
on our
video
first
4
one?
years
Like,
ago. You know
Jesus.
what? Yeah.
We like that was like really.
How did you promote it?
I
if you
just
did, huh?
promoted it in a few servers.
Mm.
Yeah, nothing intense, but you know, getting any views at all is freaking immaculate.
Yeah.
Okay,
If
dog.
the
I will
first
say
one
though,
gets
if I
past
would
50, like 50, we have to commit to this, you know.
Oh yeah. If any of these gets past 50, we're committing. Well, I mean, I want to commit regardless.
Hey,
I'm a faithful man. If I say
You
so
like playing fetch? You want me to
myself.
throw this thing for you?
Why did I say that?
I'm a faithful man.
How can I make this
You know,
fun for me, too?
going back in time, you
How
know, I had
about-
sex with a dinosaur, and boom, out came my green dinosaur son, Canelo. Same thing.
You did what to a
And-
dinosaur?
Hell
Nothing.
yeah. Hey, Sam,
And
this
so,
is
you know,
dog exciting.
it's just this sort of
Alright.
weird position in which I sort
Not
of
the best news to break to you.
The
really
kitty
like
cannon?
Margaret
do it.
has to do that here.
Of course she does.
Oh,
Try to get used to how he moves. You have a long trek back.
oh, and does
Thank
it
you
fetch?
for the reminder.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, get Boo Boo to do tricks on 3 play structures. What would that mean?
I'm sorry, but whenever I hear the word boo boo, all I think of is shit.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's all I can think.
If you fire the cutie kitty near a structure, Boo Boo will do a trick.
Oh, do it. You won't. Ooh, he's schmovin'.
So, while the dog's in recovery mode, he'll only go places he recognizes. But Margaret always walked Boo Boo over the North Bridge. Try luring him there.
The North Bridge? Where that at? Whatever, it don't matter. First, we gotta do some tricks. Go ahead, dog. Yeah, schmovin'. Ooh,
Good boy.
good boy. Yes, very good boy. Okay. Next up is the trampoline.
One other thing, you can't use your
You ever
guns.
wonder,
The dog will sense you as a threat and kill you.
Like,
Well,
What?
at least this will all be over.
Don't worry, the dog will defend you as long as you have the cutie kitty. Try him out. It's actually pretty cool.
The dog will kill me if I use my guns.
yes.
What?
Literally
This mission
kill
sucks.
you.
I'm kidding. This mission doesn't suck, but I mean, God. Having like a mission where you have to like recon or some sort of thing like that is just.
Getting too far from Boo Boo.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Come here, dog.
Go get it.
Where's he at? Where's he at? There he is. Okay.
Attaboy!
God, I can't even like I can't even like be traversal. Like traversal. I can't even like do the thing I normally
Okay,
do.
dog. Sam says you're a killing machine. So let's see if you can kill some OD.
Oh my God. Okay, that's cool. That's epic.
Yeah.
Okay, let me shoot it over there. Maybe it lands.
Fetch!
There he goes. Perfect. Wait, what? What? Wait, hold on. How am I supposed to get there then?
Where?
Okay, so I'm supposed to go.
Across the what?
Oh, I went the wrong way with my goofy butt.
Stupid. Where were
Hit
you
the OD.
going?
I was trying to go like without going the way of the bridge
Coming right up.
Why?
because I don't like bridges.
Why?
Because I knew there were like a lot of enemies there.
But you gotta burn the bridges
See if you can make this jump.
to cross.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know what the fuck to say is.
Okay, where did Margaret walk the dog next?
John
Hopefully
close
it's a
to
place with more things to kill in it.
Oh.
Down to the
Oh my
intersection.
lord.
and then
Yeah,
down
my
the main
protagonist is
street to
definitely-
Sasquatch and friends.
Sadistic. Good lord. Hopefully it's a place with
What
more things
sadistic?
to kill. Yeah, man.
That's the one who killed Daddy and took his cutie kitty.
What?
Gonna die.
God.
Oh my God. Freaking scabs. Get him, dog. Okay, I know what I need to do.
Warrior needs food. Badly.
We know. Good God. Didn't mean to do that. Wait,
Oh,
okay, it said I can't use my guns, but can I use my crowbar?
Yeah. It's not a gun, is it?
Ready for another?
Okay, bet. Let's go.
Last time I checked, my crowbar didn't have a holster and a whatever it's called.
You know what? I don't appreciate you being so racist towards me like this.
Huh? I don't appreciate you existing, to be honest, you know?
That is kind of racist.
Hey, buddy. See you in camp.
Why?
Oh,
Why?
heck
Why?
yeah.
Why?
Okay,
Why?
I'm
why?
liking this dog. However,
Go get it.
get smacked.
Who got that
Alright.
kitty? Who did? Who got the kitty weedy?
Oh my God. Who got the kid? Wait. Is it raining?
Come on, you're so
Sounds like it.
close. Just get back to Sasquatch.
Ooh, it is. Me like it.
Rain is awesome, dude.
Sam, if I die protecting
Excuse
this big dog,
me?
Yeah.
Stupid bottom nut.
Good button, done it.
keep talking. I'm gonna shoot a cat on you.
Just try.
I think the dog is trying to follow me now.
Let's do this.
Which would be perfect. Where's it at? Dog, where you at, cousin? Oh, it's gonna be here.
There's too many open
There he
outside.
goes.
You're gonna need to clear them out before we can open the doors.
What? Oh my gosh, man. Where's the... Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Took him long enough.
You just have to go inside the.
No, because I have to clear out the OD first.
Yeah, my fault.
I just don't like...
When it's
Oh
on the
God,
dog leg,
please no.
coming right up.
Oh, it attached to the thing's face. Oh, this dog be going crazy! Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm kind of scared. We're gonna die. Why is there a spawner here? Why are there so many spawners? And why are they getting bodied by a dog? I don't even need the grind on rails. Pause. Yo, are you good, man?
Oh, my
good, bro.
fault, bro.
Deployable weapon. Bad. I think the ODs... I think the OD are all dead.
I'm opening up the doors.
Cool. Alrighty. That should be the last mission of the episode.
Ooh, I
Aw.
missed you, too. Thank you, Sam. You're the best.
Sure, anytime.
He did all of the work, totally.
Yeah, really nice work,
Yes.
Sam.
Okay. That should be the last thing for this episode. There should be another one out the day after this one comes out.
Let us
Eh.
know if you want more.
And then we'll have a different guest on for this series, but temporarily.
And presumably, if you get far enough, Soon we should open up Dark Souls.
Yeah,
It should be fun.
we should be able to play Dark Souls soon. But yeah, freaking like, subscribe, all that stupid jazz. See y'all in the next video. Make sure to stay angry because people who are happy never get any work done.
Excuse me?